Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Note 12 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. Here we can find and see some paperwork. This is the quick start guide and the warranty card and the safety guide. Let's just check another accessory. This is a protective case, the silicone one. Let's just use it. Okay. The next thing, this is the USB Type-C cable. This is the SIM eject tool. And the last one, that is the charger brick, the Infinix original one with all of the specs. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.